Oh yeah, I'm about to clean my car. Rinseless wash. First I use this and just hit spots, mainly the front. Get all this guck, if there's any guck. Like that. Try to hit these heavy areas first. It's a little scratch. Yeah, black. See, I put that little screen. Alrighty then. Alrighty then. Next I'm gonna hit this bottom area. I'm gonna get the inside, fold this up this way. Oh, we have a clean spot. This is just a little pre-touch. Get all that bottom piece. Get all that bottom piece. Sorry. All right. Do the outside. Let me do the inside here. I'll keep it clean. Let's see. See that? I'm about to use this side. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Let's trick them up. All right, all right. Alright, so I'm done with that waterless wash and wax. I just hit a couple of main spots. I'm not going to use this rag anymore. Next, I use the no rinse wash and wax. This I only need 2 capfuls. Put in a bucket. I already have some in here. 2 capfuls. Pour it in. Put that much about water, about a what, quarter full. Get about 6 rags. Fold it up nice. Just soak it in there. Alright, so once we let these soak, let's see, I got 1, 2, 3. I'll put one more. Yeah, I can squeeze one more. Let's soak that thing in there. When we use these, each side is going to be a section of the car. So this side, I'm going to hit probably the top all the way up halfway. Then I'm going to flip it around on this side, do the top front. Then I'm going to open this up and refold it. Now I got 2 more sides, right? Those 2 sides, I'll hit like the fender and probably 1 door. Then I'll get another side, do the back door, back fender, and then I would flip it. Now I use probably what, 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So I use 1, 2, 3, 4. right? Then when I'm done going around, I'll get the inside folded. Now I got the inside, clean sides. Make sure you always have clean sides. So once I do one section, I would wipe and then get a dry towel, dry. Wipe, dry. Wipe, dry. Wipe here, dry. Wipe, 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 dry. Then I do the front. Boom. Then with that dirty rag, I start to clean the reels. I would wipe it, dry it. Wipe, dry. Boom. Once I'm done wiping and drying, I use this here, X-spray wax. I love this. This would be like a coating, like a final little wax, final clean. It's gonna come out super shiny. You'll see. That's about it. All right. I have a dry rag. Just a wipe. Simple wipe. Simple wipe. Leave that right there. A dry one. Just gonna simple dry. Don't worry too much about streaks. All right. Wipe. This starts to get soaked, switch it up. All right, one side. Should have done that way. You get it. I'm not too worried about those streaks. They'll come out with the final X-ray wax. I'm gonna get this side. Right there. This is starting to get a little too wet. So I might switch it up. But this would be a rag I use for my wheels. Once I'm done with this rag. Simple wash. I'm gonna stop right here. Right here. Look at that. Look at that. This I might save for my wheels. Boom. Top is done. Clean, huh? Just the top. Now, with this rag, I'll probably use this and knock out my wheels. This rag, I'll probably use this and knock out my wheels. I like to get the inside. So I know you can use a brush, but this one's just as good. Alright, with that, I'm just gonna try this out. Let's get the inside. Same rag, I'm gonna go to the front wheel. Let's clean this with the clean side. This rag is still wet, still soaked. I'm soaking in that bucket with that solution, that rinse-free green soap. Please. Let's hit the inside. So like keeping them clean, boy. Alright. I bought this car new, so I'm trying to keep the wheels clean. So it's easier just to keep them clean. That's what I intend to do for the rest of this vehicle's life. Alright. Let's write these. This vehicle's life. Alright. Let's write these. Alright. That's pretty good, right? This. On this side. Again, I know I can use a brush, but I like touching every part of the freaking car, man. I like cleaning my car. Alright, I was gonna not use this rag, but I figure I'll use this same rag on my other wheels since it's gonna get real dirty anyway. So I'm gonna use this on the other wheel too. This is the original rag I used for the top, but I'm not gonna use this on the car again. These rags, I have a million. I just wash them. I never really use them twice. No, I got these at Costco. $17, $18 for a big old bag. Oh gosh, shit. I usually do this maybe twice a week. I clean my car. Pretty much my days off. But I keeps it clean. Got to keep it clean. I've washed the car bucket, the two buckets, the foam cannon, and I don't know, I like this way better. The pressure washer for me, it's overrated. I don't really, it's more of a hassle, like to prepare everything and then clean up, put everything back. This is just simple. You know, once I'm done, just throw these rags in the dirty bucket and I'm done. Not bad. On to the next. On my last wheel, I just refolded this. Look, see, it's still wet. Still soaked. But for me, using the foam cannon, that's, I don't know. I don't care for it too much. Looks better, you know, when you use the foam cannon. Oh yeah, it looks cool, but I don't know. Maybe I'm just doing it wrong. It's just an extra wasted step. See, I'm doing this just with, I got those 4 rags in that bucket, half a bucket of water. Not even wasting water. Or wasting rags, getting them dirty. But I'm in the garage, in the shade. It's hot as hell over here in Texas, and this shit works for me. It's hot as hell over here in Texas, and this shit works for me. This side. All right. I'm done with the wheels. See how folding these towels make a big difference here? But I could probably use this side. I'll use this for these wheel, what do you call these? Wells? I don't fucking know. One more extra clean. Like that. Dry that up. One more extra clean. Like that. Dry it up. Get this front. This side. This is always the dirty one. Get right there. Dry that. We'll just take the other side and I'll do the sides of the car. Back here. Done. Done with that. Now I get one more clean one, hit the sides, then I'm on to the last coating. It's the first rag we use. That. Dirty. My dirty bucket. My dirty bucket. New one, new dry rag. Here, I guess I'm gonna start over here. Get one more rag. Could just let this soak right on here. Soak out. Just a wipe. That's it. Just wipe. Wipe. That'll be all. I'm gonna let that soak in there. That'll be all. I'm gonna let that soak in there. Okay. Push it over. Make it flat. Just a quick wipe. You ain't even doing much scrubbing. Let's see how I flip it. That side. Oh, man, I forgot. Oh, there it is. Alright. Keep that there. Quick, go dry. Look at that. Just did this door. Look at that shine. Oh, with 2 rags so far. I already did my wheels. Hit this. Boom. Quick little rags. Boom. This quick little rag. That's it there. It's my Tesla, man. I don't have no washing, so this always comes open. Don't tell me to go over it. Ooh, hey, look at that. That's the back. Knock this back out. So I pretty much make sure I do sections. Towels. Good. Looking good. Stay on the side. Yeah. Don't use the dirty side. Don't use the dirty side. I know I shouldn't. But I don't want to use another rag. No. I'll be right. Boom. Good. Looking good. Alright, so now I'm going to come back to the clean side here. Somewhat clean. Section at a time. Simple wipe. Not too worried about any water stains. Because when I go around with the, that X-ray, it'll clean it up. I'm not too concerned with the water stains. And then you just removing all this dirt. That's it. Alright. Alright, so my battery died, but I finished this piece here. Wheels look pretty clean. Car looking a little shiny. Next, I'll do the X-spray. I'll use this here. So far, man. Now I'm about to use this X-spray. So, clean rag, gonna spray, wipe, then use the other side, and like kind of like polish. Alright, do the same thing all over. It's gonna give it a little shine to it. You can use this for windows. You can use it for your interior, the dash, your seats. You can probably use it for everything. The wheels. I'm gonna go all the way around. I'll show you how it looks once I'm done. Left side and the right side. Top is done. Go away around the sides now. Flip, what side? Flip it to the other side. Keep on going. Sorry, I'm just killing me. No holes.